So I know why you're here. Your TikTok page, just like mine, is completely overfilled by Julia Wolf's In My Room song. And it is absolutely terrific. It perfectly encapsulates the early 2000s, Twilight, and I would even argue Kingdom Hearts. So with that said, let's learn these 4 chords. The very first chord you're going to be indulging in will be a D major 7, which is you just barring down the 2nd fret of the last 3 strings. And that sounds like this. It's a pretty note. The next one we're going to be moving on to is actually F sharp minor. So for that one, you're going to be barring down on the 2nd fret as well, all across the strings, and putting your ring finger and your pinky on the 4th fret of the 2nd and the 3rd string. And that sounds like this. Okay? The next note we're going to be playing will be A chord, and that one is also going to be just 3 notes all the way down across on the 2nd fret, and this one will be on the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th string. And that one sounds like this, playing it down from the 2nd string downward. And then the very last note you'll be playing will actually be a E, and that one is also on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string and the 3rd string, and then you're going to put your index finger on the 1st fret of the 4th string, and that will sound like this. Alright, so these will be the 4 chords that you will be using all throughout the entire song. And if you put it all together, this is what it will sound like. So, believe it or not, I can definitely end the tutorial here. However, I'll give you some extra little tidbits. Because the song has been so oversimplified, I do highly recommend that you enjoy not only the open strumming, but you could also practice on this song what is called palm muting. This palm muting will add a lot of extra juice to your song. As a matter of fact, in the intro, you could definitely do open strings the way you just saw, but when Julia Wolf kicks back into her song, you could definitely palm mute it to give it that extra little ruggedness. So it would sound like this. You see, you can like lower the volume on it. You can let go on it and increase it. What I'm saying is, get creative with it. The song in this way that I'm filming it makes it really nice and simple, and at this point I'm literally just blabbing on just to give you some extra material. The strumming pattern itself will vary. I do enjoy the... Congratulations, you have just learned yet another amazing song. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.